And they vote against it because they say, oh, this man are too ambitious. He might get too much something. We don't want that. We don't want that. So
you know what? That's what they were saying. They were saying Coke was getting too powerful.
So we have to vote against him because what? Him too ambitious. He might do too much good for the division.
We don't want that. All right, listen to the voice note. Listen to the voice note with the same Swaby. He must say Central Kingston, the section where Williams them there. In the close to constituency and he don't want it stretch. You know, when you want stretch, you don't want the people in the division look over in a Central Kingston and say things are going good, changes are made for them and start looking into themselves and realize that they're supposed to get better. Listen when Swavey say right in the backyard them there. Him don't want them people at Central Kingston liberate the people in the division and say, listen, your councillor and your MP supposed to do more because this them start to give we, you know. The Donovan Williams is so much of them what they never used to. They never used to. You hear what Scabby say? And I'm a back door then you don't want them spread. You don't want them opening constituents' eyes. Me still gonna listen to your Paul for all long and all of the one thing you can never say about Juliet Holness is that she looks out of PNP only. And I said what everybody say. PNP and JLP say it. Say Juliet do anything for anybody. All Juliet take off 10 draws you know and vote for you.
Why the lady just start and look idiot word when you call the lady name about draws and the word. Leave out them man and talk. You can't find no other word put in them place.
No, Paul. Are the truth? No.
You know, quarrel, man. The word no, man, but you don't understand, man. You don't want to go up on the word, man.
Paul.
Let's put for me, not get
Paul, hold on a G-keeper, Paul.
Look, what a minute.
G-keeper, hold on a man. Paul, the lady say, Ren's girl say, if Mrs. Holness take off her drawers and go no vote for her, which is no lie. What is wrong with that?
You use that word, mommy. You don't have to use that word, man.
I mean, you're not Jamaican.
You just tell us, say, look here. You said the incumbent prime minister. I'm saying not even that word. You know why you use that the man name.
But incumbent is a proper English word.
But listen what me ask the lady. True, me not sure say proper. Me say not even that. Not say the prime minister.
But you come up here and tell we said no, we not like you.
Yeah, but that not say me must know every word. And you know must know every word what it mean either. You can't tell me that.
A simple one like incumbent you should know.
But you have simpler word and that when maybe you don't know the meaning. But what me I try to tell you, nobody have to use the word draws against the lady name. We can't use better word than that in place. You get me I say?
No, because I chew the woman, I chew red girl at her. Go ahead,
look where Juliet do. Juliet open hardware. PNP never did that there. Open the hardware and hire
you is a church of God.
If you have a bathroom, we put on in, you can get you 400 black. You get you steel, man. You every frigging thing. Tell me if you don't use that word.
Who do that?
Juliet,
who do that?
Juliet Holness to the people in my country. See what we
do, you know. Let me tell you how it go. G keeper.
Don't tell the MP no.
Paul.
Don't tell the MP.
Paul, hold on. She got the burial money and she went to her constituency. And for instance, G keeper wanted 10 sheets of zinc and 2 cement. She got G keeper's order, right? And she get Paul order, she get Ren's girl order, and she went into the hardware herself, order the material that you order from the wholesale or from the hardware, paid for it, get truck, bring it to East
cost them no money.
Bring it to a location. Hold on, my man.
It's like a hardware. She buy it at wholesale price.
G-keeper, so you come and call to me. Come and call to me, G-keeper.
Hold on, man. Hold on. Then I explain to Paul. And she got them. She got them. She put up tent and she calling everybody we had of them thing. That means you don't have to go town, you don't have to go nowhere go collect, you know.
Them
She
not go
carry it
popping.
right in
Them
the
not go popping.
constituents.
Cut down
Right, or popping.
transportation.
I don't know, right. And then I have to pay for no transportation. And if you Paul did that 10 sheet of zinc, you get your 10 sheet of zinc. And the most you have to do is carry it to you home. Because you know what you know why, well, in my opinion, me not gonna tell you my opinion, but that was a good move because she want to make sure you get where you order.
Yeah, because Bridget, it would have cost them a whole heap of money to bring up them stuff, you know. So that she did the best thing that a representative that people should do.
But in a one small sentence, then you don't say she use the state money proper.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
You love Juliet, you see. Paul, you love Juliet, you see, Paul.
Yeah, man. She can't wrong for you know.
Not a minute, brother.
All right, Paul.
You can't, Ren's girl, you can't kill him. He just don't want to use them the word near Juliet. I respect that.
Exactly, mommy. Tell mommy, you hear mommy, I tell you the simple words now. You hear mommy,
Gatekeeper, you see you? Come up here and call to me.
All you hear, Paula, go on.
People like that, gatekeeper don't call to
Where
me.
you call me?
That's why I know what.
Dead.
I know disrespect. Yeah, disrespect.
Nobody
Ren's,
say.
but you don't. That
She
is
told
that
me to say front of Patrick.
basic word you know
Patrick,
what
where you
to
say?
do.
Me don't want nobody use no small word around the lady. Me just don't like it. Me don't like it. If me you know come to now me I go win you. Me don't want win you by have to take off this of your body or
But Paul,
your body or them thing there. You know them way there? I don't mean that. Me don't run them the kind of race there. Me never grew up to run that race there.
for 60 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Dayton Campbell, the CEO of the PNP, People's National Party.
I go win.
No, man, listen. Yeah, I mean, you're free to say that. He said that he went into his constituency, Eastern Westmoreland. And he said when he went to a PNP man that would have been supporting the PNP for over 50 years, he said one time he looked up into the ceiling, what he saw, he was ashamed. He said this man was so loyal to the PNP party for over 50 years. And all he saw in that ceiling was pure blue sky. He said the PNP failed that man. Now I am putting it out today and I am saying to the JLP representative in that constituency, find that man and ensure that that man's roof is completed because the PNP does not mean their voters.
But sometimes I wonder if I want a Christian or me.
So hold on now. And what you want them to say, if you're going to no labor rights, you don't find none of that. Now ask you.
It, of course.
Okay.
I am not saying no. I'm not saying no.
No, you're not saying no.
But 50 years?
But if you're going, look here, if you're going to labor right constituency, you would have fireman with one with 75 years, and maybe if you're going to one next PNP constituency, you would have fireman.
Not true, Paul. Not true.
75 years or what?
I am saying
Or what?
50 years, that's a long time to be supporting a party and they're not busy with you.
My brother,
They use and refuse you.
And this is history. There's no labor constituency can burn that you find that kind of problem over the years.
my brother,
Come in, Mr. Churchill. Mr. Churchill is from that constituency. What you do?
me love when I'm still in, me love the whole hour, me tell you that, you know.
Mr. Churchill. What you do, Mr. Churchill? Oh, hold on. Mr. Churchill is down in Dayton Campbell constituency.
2 years now, Paul.
This is where Dayton Campbell wants to represent.
Paul, I beat because you will tell you what Mrs. Holness I do down there. Follow me.
No, like,
Gatekeeper, come up here and call to me.
Turn on the mic, Churchill. Churchill, turn on the mic and tell them that they're right.
That is it, man.
Show us. Big up down our Darley stand this time, Churchill.
Churchill.
Our White House.
Put on the guy with the little Churchill, put on the guy we just talked to you,
I
the
could
one with the
talk to
gray beard.
Mr.
You want to talk to the big man?
Oh, so the boss here.
Good afternoon.
Say hi to the
Blessings.
crew on TikTok.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Blessings.
Good
Yeah,
afternoon.
Yes, we are here in the community of Ashton, one of our fertile ground, and we are here meeting and greeting the people, shoring them up and get them energized for the big day to come. And so far, we are doing a good job, and they are happy to see us pass through, especially with our deputy leader, Mr. JC Hutchinson.
One Mr. J.
One
Big up
JC.
One
Never
J.
One JC.
We're passing through here, man, with
We're doing the groundwork, you know?
Mr. Lawrence, making
Yes.
sure that when the time comes, we'll be there again as Member of Parliament. So we're doing the groundwork here. To
Thank
make
you,
sure
sir.
that
Thank you.
it work out well.
The athlete.
All right. All right. That is it. That is it, guys.
Big up
Thank you.
yourself.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Churchill. We talk later.
Come on.
Good look. It's a good look.
Yeah, man. This is the constituency that we're gonna beat Damien, Waymium, and send him back to St. Anne.
You see the air, man. Behave on yourself, man. Not do that, man.
No, we send him back to Bambo. Bambo, where
No, man,
Heath
that,
Campbell was the MP and he never fixed the road, and Crystal Lee fixed the road. That's why I'm have to run from up there. We send him back.
Brother,
We send him back.
if you got Crowland and see my road up at Crowland, you can't find
I'm talking about Dayton. Listen, man. Paul,
And
don't
this one here,
stray, man.
tell you,
You love
you
to
see,
stray.
You see, Nicey, if you ever tell Nicey and for me sister, no one else about labor, right? Then he to pies now. Me say you can't drive on the road.
Them
Look
not
on
think
the
straight,
nice
man.
lady. Look
And
how
then-
Labour
see a
show.
nice Labour
Hold
right
on,
here.
hold on, Paul. Look how Labour people them just look
You
different.
not pretty like
now.
my mother. You not pretty like my mother.
Hold on,
Jesus.
Paul,
Oh, you
look
wicked
how
son,
they
We don't know your,
different.
we don't know your mother. We don't know your mother, bagger. So
Are
we
your mother
can't
in her
talk.
70s?
Take for yourself.
No, man, mommy pass off. Mommy pass off. But you
Don't
not
yet
pretty like
talk
my
about her.
mother.
May her soul rest in peace. Go and take for yourself. Nobody come.
Yeah, them
Big
just
up yourself
look
with
big
William-
up
with William
yourself.
Wright.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Holy order. For the second term for
You
Daniel
can't
Lawrence,
say
third
them a
term
mother
for
full of
party.
money.
Huh?
You can't say them a mother full of money.
Yeah, man. Stalwart.
Hey, lady, find your talk something. And the one thing I hear talk where I support you upon. Not really say the one thing, but the main thing.
Wow.
Say Labour right them have money. True.
That's a big
Because we work
man.
for what we want.
work.
We work
Hold
for
on,
what we want.
hold on, man. True, that's why. Hold on, man.
Hold on, them, Paul. Hold on.
True, not
Hold on,
Hold
Paul.
on, hold on. Churchill, unmute your mic, Churchill. We're not here.
True, that's why. Oh, me feel hold
Hold
on.
on, nice.
Paul, second.
Sorry.
All right, everybody hearing me now?
Yeah, man, we're here.
Yes, yes.
All right, afternoon, everybody. Labor rights.
Shower.
Shower. Third term not in loading, but it is in execution. It is now here. It is not loading. We have passed that stage. We have done enough
All
work
right.
in this country. The great Andrew Michael Holness has done what no other prime minister has ever done in this country. And we are going to show the people. The people is going to show the others that they want this leader, and this is the party that is going to lead them and lead us into the next generation. Show our labor rights.
Big
right.
up yourself.
Sure.
Big up
Bless up,
yourself.
bless up.
You know, me, I want
See my
more thing
friend
to say.
there, Churchill, make him come on.
Yes,
Tell him
I
say
know.
Hold on.
Bridget. Tell him
What
say
on the-
Bridget.
Sister Shaya,
Bridget want to talk to you.
friend. Bridget.
Yeah, man,
Bridget.
Hey,
Come on.
let me tell you something. Doctor, the Honorable Brogard Andrew Michael Holness, he has a prescription from Master Mark, and that is to put him in a museum that is located at 89 Old Pope Road, Kingston. And until then, for those who don't understand the assignment, we will educate them. No one on the opposite side of the bench is capable of carrying the mandate
Right,
to comments them out of the
Right,
state
yes,
of
sir.
poverty
Now
into
read the comments them.
prosperity, other than the man himself, Dr. Andrew Michael
Holness.
One love,
Shower.
shower.
Show all your rights.
All right, guys.
Show
Look
me,
for more.
Bridget.
We're moving on.
All right, Churchill, big up yourself. Them me love.
Rent.
Hold on there. Me need to address somebody in a but call something, Mishi. If favor don't give me what me ask for, I ain't voting. Lady man, don't make me tell you what we go do this man.
Yeah, man,
No, man, no go there, no go there.
But look what favor go down there go say. I give much of them road.
Come on for we channel if you don't love what we are do. Simple as
No, man, me nah come out.
Well, mute your mic.
Me love you, you can't run me, because me love you.
We do what we want over here. So me say, lady or man, it's alright. Well, mute your mic.
All right.
Lady or man, don't make me disrespect you where favor is concerned, right? Uno make bad decision in life. Uno have no 10 or 15 pitney, and when uno done, uno want to blame everybody else apart from the friggin' person who seen in the mirror. So you mean you not vote? Keep your vote, lady. We're gonna put on 10 labor rights for you. Go and buy your business. That's the thing there. And Paul, if you don't love away, so you can't take your
bad man, they are extortionists.
Extortionists.
They are extortionists. And that is how the whole of people stick up people to collect money from them.
I want to stick up the MP, but you ain't voting. Lady, go and buy your business.
Is a PNP culture enough to extort people?
But she's
not swallowed down all over. Extortion.
Make she go on.
Vote PNP, man.
Wizzy.
Call me.
Wizzy.
Well, guys, second down. My career were blessed us.
It's not a PNP culture. If PNP are the leader for most of the time, and the youth them a baby will just come out of Jubilee, and them grew up in a freeness, you think them a got thing for go work?
What kind of freeness?
Them culture.
Them grew up them not gonna work because them grew up in a time where freeness are run, just like welfare America. Why you think the American them sit down lazy? Eh? You get me?
No, man,
that's why them sit down so lazy. So it's not a culture, you know. Is as me that tell G Keeper yesterday, we have to learn to inoculate the mind of the young people and teach them, because a while ago we go over caution live and me I say caution, why would I keep on? I don't know me a PNP. I ever state that. Me a PNP, but you have to give Caesar what due to Caesar, you see me? So I say caution, I want to stay on the live with one bunch of batty man and one bunch of people where keep up their arms.
Like you want disrespect them, come and never disrespect you.
Hold on a mission.
You nobody come up here with you say something.
Hold on, Bridget, calm down, Bridget.
Hold on. No. Nobody now come talk to me like how she feel like she. Me no know if she a man, woman, or child. She said something. She said if she no get what she want from favor, she now vote. That is what you said, miss. Right? I still want to stick up the MP. You know go ahead.
Bridget,
I still don't want, yeah. I still don't want to stick up the MP. It better you say.
Give her a chance. Give her a chance to redeem herself.
No. Me there from morning, let me finish.
But
I'm saying.
Boogie was starting. Don't forget to Boogie when attack.
Hold on there. If them want some from the MP, tell we say, you know say, I ask MP and would like to reach out to the MP that we can get where we want. But don't come on, not gonna the MP.
Yeah, man, let us stick up business that.
I stick up the MP.
Yeah, we not like that. And it's a nice woman.
Ask one no one. And if me no favor, if business
nice.
We are gonna reach out to Miss Favor and see what we can do. And somebody will reach out to Miss Favor. But me with it, me hate the something that don't stick up
make sure respond, Bridget.
All right.
Make your point. Make sure respond.
People
Respond,
have
Miss Mission.
rights for ask for where them want. Labor
and we never said no.
Well, Bridget, make
You have to ask, Mishi. Nobody saying you're not to ask. Listen to what she
you
say.
ask. You say you're not vote if you not get what you want. That is what you say.
And that's what you're saying, but that's what you're saying is wrong. You go like you walk out, stick up the MP. And that's what you're saying.
Run your way with that.
You think 200,000 can bring back life when people are run up and go up a motorcade and them something there? You think money can bring back life? They
don't take it. You don't have to take it. Stay here. You can't see me, lady, because you don't know nothing. You don't know nothing about me. You're bright. I stick up the MP. Move from here, so.
So she get $20,000 and one more? Is that what she said?
May I say that I only for money in it?
I careless people them there. But then
I have 5,000 PNP I give them. So what she want?
I get 200,000.
Hold on. Is it that she get 200,000 one more?
But if 200,000 can bring
tell
back
them
life.
an extortionist, man.
I stick them and stick up the PNP. She a comrade. Move from here, so.
Hello.
No, sir, that they can't take with some of them people, yeah. Be a hand
know them when
they
they see them.
Sell, enough of them want sell vote, you know.
Hey,
be a hand down.
I am declaring,
I want to know
that I don't, even if them are give me, I don't want $1 from the JLP.
Who is from low life?
No, want $1.
Not $1. All I want
them are low life drunk,
to win
I don't care.
and continue to develop the country.
No,
I am prepared to support. I am prepared to support like I always do. Yeah.
So she want money to go on political campaign.
You don't have to.
She too low like them for go and walk.
Go and vote.
But if she not get what she want, she not vote. Fuck you.
Hold on, she done come and gone. I know how much minutes you are going to spend on she now. Like she said.
No, man, Paul, you don't understand, Paul. Paul, you don't understand the politics.
I understand.
Yeah, we can't
agree with Boogie. Move on.
Yeah, we can
move on. What are you saying? Because she interrupt Boogie. Well, guys, follow me out. Boogie, go ahead now.
All right, guys. All right. One at a time.
Jaja.
All right, go ahead.
What may I try to say is this, man. If Andrew do something good, we have to teach them today. Today the youth them are born, you know. We can't like as me I say, we are elder people. The whole that we done have sex, we done party, we done dress up in a pretty clothes already.
Well, I'm not reach elder yet. I'm not reach elder stage that place.
Well, you know what I mean. The whole that we
understand, man.
You know, you see me. So where the country are pre now, the infrastructure we are putting now for the youth them of tomorrow. And that will fair work for the betterment of tomorrow, because we not go there have no strength for all the country tomorrow. So whoever come all the country tomorrow, that will fair work for. I would have loved Mr. Paul understand this as a PNP attack to you. Me's a Jamaican before me's a PNP. And if PNP push the country better than Labour right, then a PNP for run the country. And if Labour right run the country better than PNP, then a Labour right for run the country. We can't go back to Eden time home. For when Labour right they come in and mash up Eden time home and burn down the country and try destabilize Manly. And we can't go back to 18 years with the PNP of the country and fuck it up. We can't go back to that. Because if we go back to them thing that the 9/11 happened and that Bush time, and yet still the Republicans still win the seat in America, you understand? So if we are going to move on to tomorrow, then we have to start today and look at what is going on today to prepare for tomorrow. But yet still we have the knowledge of the past. So if we are going to stay die-hearted and say, boy, me a die-hearted PNP, then me I say, boy, I'm a picnic dead for hungry because me die-hearted. And if me say me die-hearted that way that me a Labour right, then me say boy, Labour right a mash up the country and through me die-hearted make like Labour right stay. That mean my picnic, my grandpicnic so should die for hungry. That make no sense. So that's why me I tell all of the PNP them now, so just stop the foolishness. Bro, brother, do the country right. We see it with the 2 eye. We watch it with the 2 eye. We can't deny it because we are PNP. Yeah, we are PNP and you can't change it, but yes, still give the man respect.
Boy, I don't know.
Yeah, another man to that.
Boy,
believe no man.
You have seen the light. And when you're baptized, you have seen the light. Paul, reply to your fella comrade.
But look here.
So I'm go over caution like. See? So we go over caution like we say caution and the same thing we say
Mary, your background. No man, I know you in a Mary background.
Politics, no,
so
okay.
I'm go over caution like now. I'm go stew chicken and cow foot and fried chicken. Yeah. So I go over caution, like me as a caution. What I go on with the party have the labor them have the whole of the engine, them gas warm.
Nice up in them woman.
Alright, cool. Still? Yeah. What you think, caution, first thing him start talking about? Alright, I tell him say be a batty man there on him life. So if he want to cut me off, him can cut me off. And I pay a batty man over the PNP pan for him life. And then I say all on the talk about every day I be a fuckery. Here caution I go say to me, alright, boogie bless, but what about $1.3 trillion? I say caution are them thing that you get up on every day for your life. Me can't tell you where $3 trillion there. And people every other me can't tell you, but what about what go on today? We could talk about what go on today in our country and what put in place for the youth them tomorrow. You'd have blind to that and say, nah, go on. You'd have drive on a different road than the road of the labor them make. If you used to say the road look good and easy to carry you from one end to the other, talk the truth. And make sure you be Jamaican before you be PNP and labor right.
There's no such number in our money. We got trillion. There's no zero go there. It's only got billion.
Boy, when I have sense in my rate, boy, I want to make me like.
So hold on.
If I didn't waste time, I want to show me say I not waste time. But more part, reply to your fellow.
Yeah, when I come here, my boss, when I come here, don't over me try to state something to say me the PNP, but first me the Jamaican. Don't me say the same thing. Did not I say
from
the
the file, like you defend Mark Golden all
Bridget, cool long now, Bridget, man. Bridget, me tell about the 29 years, so me no want to see, but me not tell you that, Bridget, man, not do that, man. You fear, Bridget. Not the truth.
No. No, it's like you tell him. We ask to say. Hold on, man.
Everybody defend Mark Golden have no sense. Because Mark Golden can't run my Jamaica.
But me tell you what Paul said. Paul, yes.
I want Mark Golden look like he's ready for being in the office. You respect Mark Golden as a man over bro God because he's a labor right. I respect him as a man. You respect that means you respect a chacha boy out the road and a police or a soldier in a uniform. Because I'm a chacha boy. You respect the uniform. See? So me as a PNP, I tell you, Mark not ready for my country. Mark for run trench town. It done that so.
Don't a jungle. You're right this way there. But Paul, you said, I think it was Bitty asked the question, say, like how Brogard, you see what Brogard do. Number one, you say you don't see nothing. That's the first. What on the boogie? Number one, Paul said him not see nothing where I go on. Him not see nothing where I go on. That's me not tell a lie on your Paul. Then we say you say, hold on. Then we say you say, why you da vote for Mark? You say you da want to see what him can do. Him we say you say, so you know see when nothing with Andrea do, him say you say you would say no, you know see when nothing Andrea do and you wouldn't want him to stay another day, you would have prefer him wife. That is what you said. That simple mean you know see nothing with Andrew do. You know see nothing with Andrew do, but you would have want give Mark a chance who you don't know what him can do at that visit tell you. Can't tell me nothing.
You're very unfair, Bridget. But
Bridget, right. That's what I said.
You're not easy, Bridget.
Bridget, remember you.
Hey, Bridget, you're not easy, you know, you're coming like Sheila, you know.
How name Sheila? I hope I know what one name so.
I'm a labor right sister name, someone.
Oh, you have labor right sister?
I mean, so she have said.
Sister, them are labor right.
Okay, good.
So, how you think they attack you in the back about call me? You never know say I'm a sister?
Should have put her up on the live, man.
So, you know, me tell her to come off live with her face in it. You know, she come off. I'm a sister, you know?
Oh.
I'm on 5,000 sister, me have no brother.
More than baptize you, man. More than baptize you.
More than 5,000 sister, me have.
Baptize somebody, but we see, if you try to baptize somebody who live in the constituency, one of the hardest working MP, the hardest working MP, and he still find it hard. You know, vote for nobody else. Yeah, vote for the fact that she stay in. The one MP ever have will make such changes. You have one of the largest constituency. Yeah, and one of the constituency that look here on the receptacle to flooding. When rain fall too hard, I honor that they are grown.
Where?
I want to have an MP, one can call and much o'clock out her bed. She out there on the road. You admit, say she no watch colors when she a help. And you that never give her your vote.
So hold on, I'm here ask you again. So why you don't vote for the PNP not even one time for you upon the earth?
No, me vote.
No,
You
we
know
don't
who
see
me
that
vote
need.
for? Hold on there. You know who me vote for? The first time I vote, you know. The first time I vote, you know, it's to change my MP. You know who was my MP? Lyde Smith. The first time me vote, it was to get rid of a worthless MP, Lyde B. Smith. First time me vote. Eventually, vote.
One bench.
What? We get rid of
Like
him.
he was only one in bench.
You mean the man in front of Papa in the parliament?
Like we get rid of Lyde B and we get Eli Clark. Eli Clark
Best
come
him,
in
the best
and
one
he
of the
come
best
in and run
MP.
up and down and him a work. Me a work for my me a vote for my MP. And you, me as good as Eli is, I wouldn't mind an MP like Juliet. And you get an MP like Juliet Holness and I kill you for vote for her. Let's say if you not vote,
kill me for vote for her.
I never say you either kill you for vote for you, now go vote for her. Me not ask her, tell me I tell you.
Hold on.
You prefer to vote for somebody who now will come in and do nothing.
Because I'm a PNP.
So me won't vote for her, but me work for her.
The vote keeper in office.
And the vote keeper in. You be work for her, you can work for her, whatever the vote keeper in.
But we will take the machete as a farmer, we will take the machete and chop 2 miles of the road for her.
No,
yeah,
thank you.
But the vote keeper, they say you can chop 2 miles of the road for her.
Oh, no. The vote can't keep you like if you were.
Yo, type of foolishness, man.
Yeah, but wait there, hold on there. If you work, we get the vote, right?
Yes. So hold on.
Yes.
Alright. So that's why me don't want someone to vote for me now to me can't work for your brother. You can't vote for me.
But you're not the on the ballot.
That's nobody not to support the fan with that. So like me not the on the ballot. That's why you vote for me to put me on the ballot.
But that's so ballot work, brother. That's so ballot work, brother.
So hold on. So when the politicians them go run, then I want to run off first when they go in a police station. They ask you.
Alright, let me ask you a question, Paul. When you approach your party as a PNP, tell them say you want to run PC.
No, but me can't do that.
Why you can't do that?
Labour right them have a embarrass the PNP party, man.
Labour right them have a vex.
Exactly.
No, me ask you, did you go to your party? You love your party, go to your party, say what?
Me hear what you say, but me say the Labour right them have a vex, because them have to tell me say me can't do that, because they love me too much. But
you put party first, but hold on, you care zero if them go vex because you put party first. You care zero if them go vex because you put party first.
Me not care zero, me care 100% if them go vex. I don't, I mean, me don't care zero.
Alright, so come election, if election are tomorrow, you're voting?
Who, me?
Yeah.
The first extra me come, but me still a full of the vehicle and Labour right carry out the come here park.
And your folks extra go beside the head.
Beside the head, but me still a full my vehicle and 4 Labour right and carry.
Yeah, but you nah get what me I say, Paul, what I am saying to you.
Hold on, Paul. Hold on 1 second. Let me ask Paul, sorry, Paul. The reason why you'd have vote PNP, because PNP are your party, right?
No, you're wrong, brother.
Ask me. Man, so not state that.
No, not just that alone, my brother.
Not statement.
No, not just that alone. Me see they put some policies in place. When me love, me not look here. Me not agree with none with most of it. Just like the Labour Right Party, but me see them put some in there where they love. Just like how some Labour Right Party, then see Labour Right put in policy where they love.
Like
and can't take with that for them. Just like how you boogie the disaster.
So let me hold on, may I ask my question. So basically now, you say you love some policy where the PNP are put in. Right?
Yeah.
Where you see with your two eye them in the 2 days, not where go on before, but now.
No, can't know what JLP no power no my boss, not do that. The last 10 years.
So where you see go on in the past 9 years. Hold on. Where you see go on in the past 9 years, where you can say, boy, that's why me I go vote PNP.
Let me see.
Yeah.
No, but I Labour right now power for the last 9 years.
No.
So what
you still don't tell me which policy make you go vote for them?
Vote for who?
The policies are
The
beside
policies
the
will
point,
make
but
you vote for look for a very good MP and vote against a good MP.
No. The policies are beside the point. You see, I want him to make one on the bogo. One on the bogo.
Sorry.
Listen, make it make sense to me, right? I want to know, why is it that you are going to be voting for the PNP and then you are going to work hard to make Jamaica Labour Party win? When the most important thing that you could do is to just vote for the Jamaica Labour Party if you want them to win so bad. So it makes no sense to me.
Paul not voting for no PNP. Paul Labour right.
Me don't like, you know,
Fixing the right round and round. I like that.
They argue with trouble.
I Labour right, man, I go into trouble. It's just like my father. My father was a PNP, and when the time come, he got vote for JLP. Him is a Labour right. So it just.
Well, I want him to tell me that one.
Stop trick on him.
Me don't want to see road.
Jamaica alone will come to them politics.
Me don't want to see road where the tea hold on no gate. Because me feel say the PNP get dirty, you know. Me just feel say, so. But me I tell you something. Me don't want to see that road because it look like you're very partial. Again, boss, just like Boogie, me say me not partial. I don't believe in partiality. I am not partial.
Right,
Lose MP. You don't like to lose MP.
Lady, again, you try what? Lady, you not, listen what me tell you, lady, don't hear me there, so you is not as quarter as certain things, but me I tell you again, I am not a person. I will not stop my Jeep on election day and going down the road and to fold Labour right and drive past them. Even if Labour right I go win the election, me now go left them for PNP.
Because me ask, so would you like to lose your
You
MP?
know answer question, Ren. You know answer question, man.
Because he's not a PNP, he's a Labour right. That it's just like my father. He's a Labour right. I know them. I grew up with it. My father used to write that on a piece of paper when he was an outdoor agent. And when him socialist friend them come him turn around the paper like this and say, vote for JLP. That's Paul.
What me?
You don't listen, Paul. I'm at work. I'm been listening, Paul, for a long while now. And everything when me see, you listen to Paul talk, I go back in my father playbook. That's the same way. Yeah, my father was a star PNP and that's what he does.
No.
I guess he's trying to play it safe, you know?
No. What I'm trying to figure out is if Paul is saying, Paul, would you go to the ballot box today and vote put your X beside the bell for whatever, anything good, why you do that? Because you're not going to go there and do it for something bad now, more something good where you feel. Including every other Labour right here on a platform here. They would not go at the ballot box and vote beside the bell because them feel bad about the bell. Them have to feel good for it. So I'm asking you, as you say, you are a PNP, cool. Would you ever go one day and say, no man, PNP, nah, go on with nothing, them a mash up my country? As a PNP, would you say that and vote in the next party, which is the Labour Right Party?
No, my boss.
Listen, me man, they will never say that word. My father will never say that word.
I ask you, no man.
Yeah, we'll never say it.
Please, me Daniel. Just make us try hear what Paul say. Because why me ask Paul that? Because me I try find these people who are mash up my country with this diarted system. The diartedness is what mash up a country. Because the diartedness now inoculate the youth mind. You understand? To steer this way, saying that, listen, if your country are go down, just stick to your party. No. Vote for the next party where I build it. because the country you're just gonna live in the country for a short time. Man,
Exactly.
God no give man more than 100 and somehow we not see it. But tomorrow
Exactly.
have to come believe in your country, and if you have kids and not prepare for grandkids, worry about the tomorrow, not the today alone. You understand?
Exactly.
So if me want to know how much people in the country that's gonna say, boy, I vote in the PNP, I make the shaggy dog, I mean they make Mark Golden run the country, right? And then when him run the country mash up, and then what Andrew now put in him take away the part. Him take away the money where the youth them get for go from school, and then look more we have to go work hard for give them back when them did have it now. Come on, we have to know what go on for the tomorrow. You understand? So if you would have be the type of say me now vote Labour, right, then you mash up my country. And if you be the type of say me now mash up, me now vote PNP, then you mash up my country. You should vote for whatever is betterment for your country and for the youth and the woman them. Not even the man them, because in a reality the woman them get stuck with the youth.
I support you 100%, Boogie.
Yeah, that's good.
That's what I
That's
believe.
good. Look.
So if me I go down at the ballot box today as a PNP, I me feel like if you carry me go vote to them, I go vote Andrew. But Andrew now go get my vote every day, and Labour right now get my vote every day. Just like PNP. I never vote a day in my life, ever. You only say me a PNP because I come from PNP people.
Boogie.
Talk to me.
You know, so for me know myself, you see Boogie. You know, so for me know myself, me can't say no Labour. No PNP, M. Boogie, you hear me? Boogie.
Hear you, man. I hear you. I hear you.
Show me milk.
The reason why I don't do it, I don't
hear you, man.
Yeah, I don't want when ready to talk. You get me I say? For the day me I grow, none of them can accuse me for that Boogie. Me don't do it Boogie. Because I make sure that anything me don't feel pleased about, me can talk over it. If look here, when Mr. Crawford was the MP Boogie, yeah, you hear me Boogie?
Man, I hear you talk, man. I hear you.
Show me mute, man.
Yeah, man, when Mr. Crawford was the MP, he was fixing a road and he asked me to look at the overseas and I tell him, say, no, I won't do it because every morning when I wake up and tread on that road, I always see a gentleman on the road scraping it off, trying to make it look better. So why would I know? Because somebody are going to get paid for do it. Take the work to oversee it when that man is the one who is working on it hard. And I bring the man right to him and I tell him, say, make this man oversee it because him I look on it every day before you come here. And after you gone, him I go look on it. Me never take it through me a PNP Boogie because I don't believe in that thing there. Take it through me a PNP Boogie because I don't.
Sure.
Me never do it Boogie. And